welcome to the Java session. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I will discuss the basic structure of your Java program, and here we will discuss what each statement does. The first line, import java.util.asterisk ending by the semicolon. It imports any other package into your program. What is package? Package is a collection of classes or frameworks which helps to run your Java program. The next line, public class test. Yes, public it is a access specifier which allows your members to be accessed by any of the class outside the package. Next, class. Class it is a keyword. For example, our class name is test here. Class name should be always started with a capital letter. Here I used T as a capital, that is test. So in any Java programming language, any statement to be executed written under class. Next comes to open curly braces. Each and every class in your Java programming having a curly braces. If you opened any curly braces, you should close it. Make sure that you are closing the curly brace. In the next line we have public static void main string args. I'll take an example. Human behavior. In human behavior we have sleeping, running, eating. So to execute all the behavior, Java says there should be a main method where the Java program execution starts. Okay, so here first in this statement we have public. Public, as I already explained, it is an access specifier, so I'm not going in depth. Static. In this main method do not have to create an instance or object of the class. So static, it says that main method, if you used static with your main method, at that time no need to create an instance or object of the class. Okay. Next, void. Void, it is a keyword. It says that it doesn't have any return value, that is main will not return any kind of values, in the sense like integer, int, string. Okay. Next we have main, main. Main, it is a method name. Main, it is nothing but it is a method name. Always methods are written in a lower case. Start with a lower case. If in case if it is uppercase, the method name, the first letter of your method name, if it is uppercase, it will become a problem. What is that? If it is uppercase, interpreter will not interpret this method. Now within parenthesis, string square bracket args. It is an array of arguments because we did not know the size of a value which we receive. So we use array to determine the value. Again here we use heap which stores the value in an object reference which may be of a compiled value of string format. So any statement if you want to execute, it should be provided under main method. What happens here? Interpreter interprets main method, then compiler will execute with this void. Next we have system.out.println. What it stands for? System, it is a class to java.lang package. Next, out, it is a class for system or it is a static member. Println with parenthesis, it is a method to java.io.printstream package. So println, it is a method to the package java.io.printstream. It lies inside the java.io.printstream package. Complete line, that is system.out.println, it is available from a package called java util.io.asterisk. These classes are provided from them called as print stream. So each of them will help you to print a message. See, in my example I am printing two messages. One is Aryabhatta, second one grade 10. Here I have used two methods, print and println methods. I'll tell the difference between print and println method. Print, if you used a print method, you can able to print your message within a single line. I'll show you the example. Let me to execute it. See, I got Aryabhatta in front of grade 10. Okay, if you want the line to be broken, if you want to go to the next line after a statement, then use println method. See, after this print I will use ln. Now we will try it. I'll execute it. See guys, first message it is Aryabhatta, the second message it is grade 10, because I used in the both method I used println. It works for breaking a line or to go next line after a statement. You want to execute the same in your CMD, then make sure that you have specified the path of your file. Then type javac, your file name .java for compiling it is, and to execute type java space your file name. Okay guys, see you